So here we are again with a few more of these requests or bug reports or whatever you want to call them. So let's get down and do a few more. So this one is quite a simple one. It's about being more unified in the toggle functions that you can program. I know this sounds a little bit cryptic, but let me show you. So we are now in preview mode, and there are several buttons that I have programmed to change functions. So for example, there's a lock button over here, which is a toggle. I've put one over here, which actually now a toggle is rating 5. But if you set multiple star levels, you can toggle between them, and that's really nice. But this function is not being, let's say, unified on many functions. And some of them are quite irritating if they're not there. So let me give you an example. If we go into movie mode, let me find movie mode. So if you're in movie mode, I've programmed this button over here, the C3 button, to go into crop mode and back, which is extremely handy, right? But I would like to have the same sort of function. If I'm in picture mode, use that button to turn on and turn off the silent shutter. So, so that normally you would take a picture, get the sound, but I want to be able to quickly turn it off for 1 or 2 shots and then turn it back on, right? And I think this is the perfect, for me at least, the perfect button to put it under. Now I've programmed it over there, but now you can see it asks me for such a toggle, which only has 2 options, on or off. So what I would like to see, that if there's only 2 options, it provides a toggle function, the same as what happens with the selector for the crop mode or not, right? There are more places where you can do this, but this is a really nice one, because you can imagine if you want to go silent shooting for 1 or 2 shots, then you want to do it quickly. Let's say you're taking photos of your kids, and you know that they are watching or listening for the shutter, because, well, they do. That's what happens sometimes. It would be nice if you can press the button, take 1 or 2 pictures in silent mode, and yeah, put it back out of silent mode. The same is true if you are taking pictures and normally in silent mode, but you want to turn it on quite quickly because you know you're going to take a shot which otherwise would have too much movement and we would see the rolling shutter effect. So it would be good if all the options that you can program under buttons, like I'm showing now, that only have 2 options, automatically go into this toggle mode that you're already doing for some features, but not for all features. Thank you.